Okay, class, please stand up for the prayer. So, in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, Amen. Amen. So, good morning, class. Okay, please be seated. So, let's have first our attendance. So, say percent of your name is called. So, Michelle, Zen, Vince, Angela. Okay, very good. So, we have a perfect attendance. So, let's give a 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. So, before we're going to discuss our lesson for today, let's have an energizer. So, I have a flashcards here. Um, you read what have in the flashcard. So, let's start. Very good. 108. Next is very good. 909. Next is very good. 666. Next is 8. Okay, very good. Next is 478. So, did you enjoy our activity? So, did you enjoy it? And let's have another activity. So, please get your paper and answer this activity. So, the instruction here is arrange the mixed letter in a word. So, you need to arrange these letters in a one word. So, I will give you a 5 minutes to answer this activity. So, okay, are you done, guys? Okay, so let's check your answer. So, what is the answer of number 1? Very good. That is 1. Number 2. What is the answer number 2? We have a 5 letters. Okay, very good. That is values. Value rather. So next, scramble letters. That S, tens. Very good. Next is digits. Very good. Next is, the last one is thousands. Okay, very good. That is thousands. So, that was our activity. So, what did you observe in the words in our activity? Okay, very good. That is, it will have a what? Um, okay, the position of a number. Okay, very good. So, it was easy for you to arrange the mixed letters. Okay. So, how were how were you able to come up the answer? Wow, that is a great idea. So, our topic for today is all about giving the place value and value of the digit in a number. So, here's our objectives. So here's our objectives. So After the discussion or the session, you will be able to identify the place value of each number, write the value and the place value chart, and show accuracy and carefulness in writing the digit and their place value. So, what comes on your mind when you heard a word, a word's place value? What comes on your mind when you heard a place value? That was a what? Okay, position of a number. So, place value, it refers to the position of digits that determines its value in a given number. It helps in reading and writing numbers. So, place value is the position of a number. So, for example, 20. How many place value are there? So, 2. So, the two numbers there are, okay, very good. There are a position. Each number there are a position. If there's a place value, of course, there's a value. So, what comes in your mind when you heard the word value? Number? Yes, very good. So, value is a quantity or a number. So, just like what the example earlier, 20. So, and 20, there are two value or two numbers, which is the 2 and 0. So, in order to easy to understand the place value, so we have a place value chart. So we have a place value chart. So as you can see in the place value chart, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So let's start in the left side. So the first column is ones, second is tens, third is hundreds, next is thousand, next is 10,000, next is 100,000. So that was the place value of the number. So let's have an example. So example number 1 is the given here is 27,566. So I would put the value in the place value chart and order to easy to understand for you. So let's start on the left side. So what is the first number on the left side? Okay, 6. That is the 1. 6. Tens is, what is the tens? 6. Hundreds, 5. Thousand is 7. 10,000 is 2. Okay, so that was our first example. So our second example is 348,858. So who wants to answer or put the numbers or digit in the place value chart? Okay, Zen. Okay, very good. So, if there is a place value chart, it was easy for you to understand the place value of each numbers. So, so let's have an exercises. So please get your notebook and answer these following. Okay, are you done, class? So let's answer our exercises. So the instruction here is write the place value and value of the digit in each number. Write it in your notebook. So who wants to answer letter A? Okay, Michelle. Okay, very good. So the answer of Michelle is correct. That all the answer of Michelle is correct. So in our discussion, what is place value? Okay, very good. Place value is the position of determined numbers or digits. So if there is a place value, there is a value. Okay, very good. So what is a value? A quantity or a digit or a number. Okay, so let's have a quiz. Please get your paper and answer this following. So I will give you a 10 minutes to answer the quiz. Okay, are you done, class? So please pass your paper. Okay, so before we end this discussion, please get your notebook and write your assignment and pass it in the next meeting. Okay, so are you done copying your assignments? Okay, so I hope you will learn and understand our lesson for today. So that would be all for this day. So goodbye, class. Okay, goodbye.